Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or delete text from a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open to Google Spreadsheet and simply click on this text box and select. Now click this three dot option. Here you will find this edit option, select. Again, double click on this text box and see this mouse cursor showing and drag your mouse so you can select a specific text. Now press right button. Here you will find this delete option. Delete. Also you can type new text if you like. And if you want to delete all text or at once, press Ctrl A and select whole text and simply press backspace or you can delete and see this and finally select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.